Crime Detection Agency is now the Comedy Detection Agency. Not sure if something is funny? Call the CDA hotline and we'll be there in a flash. We know comedy is hard, so now the CDA is here to help, ready to drop in on a moment's notice to scientifically find and evaluate humor.
3.8 gigawatts. 2.7 gigawatts. 7, 8, 9, 10.3 gigawatts.
Agents are available day and night. The future of energy is a joke, and the Comedy Detection Agency is here to help. The CDA. We take comedy seriously.
Hey, what's going on? Churros? Seriously? This human right down front with like the brown sweater, we're buying churros for everyone! Oh, that's generous. Thank you for that. I love churros. I'll take 6 dozen. Thank you. Well, hello everyone, welcome! My name is Buddy Boyle and I'm one of the jokesters here at the laugh floor. Do you all know who your monster of ceremonies is today? I'll give you a hint. It's Mike Wazowski. Do we have any Mike Wazowski fans out there? Make some noise! Awesome. You'll be glad to hear that. And that concludes the mic check. Thank you! First joke of the show. I got laughs and I got gigawatts. That's a pretty good start. Oh, and I got some humans that want to dance! 1, 2, 3, on your feet! Get up and dance, come on! Stand up and dance and go! Give those humans a round of applause! That was awesome, you guys. I mean, forward your mail, because you got moves. Nice. Okay. Listen. One more thing. If a monster ever says, "Hello, humans," the proper response is to throw your hands into the air and scream like this. Yeah! That's hands up and scream really loud. Let's try it out. Hello, humans! Ooh, that was perfect. Okay, listen, it's showtime. Everybody say, Roz, start the show! Okay, that's my cue. I'll see you guys real soon. Ooh, wait, no! Ah!
See that giant canister? That's when we collect your laughter. The more you laugh, the more power we collect. The less you laugh, well, we may not have enough power to open the exit doors. I can tell we're off to a great start.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the laugh floor. And now, make some noise for your monster of ceremonies, me, Mike Wazowski. Hello, humans! Oh, very good. I'm Mike Wazowski. That's Wazowski with one eye. Welcome to the laugh floor. Now, this is your first time in the monster world. There are a few things you should know. Like if I said, "You stink" to that guy, it would be a compliment. You're welcome, sir. See, now we're at the laughter. So the only one here who might make you scream would be Roz. We like to call Roz the face that launched 1,000 lunches. Hey, why did the chicken cross the road? Get away from Roz! She's up on the screen, isn't she?
Wazowski, you better fill the can this time, or else.
Or else what?
Or else this.
Phew! Are you ready for our first act? Well, here they are, Sam and Ella.
Hello, humans! All right, hi everybody, welcome. My name is Sam, and this is my sister Ella.
And together we are Sam and Ella.
Hello.
And today we're going to tell you a famous story that happened right here in Monsters Incorporated, featuring some of you as our monsters.
Featuring everyone except for that guy. Gets enough attention already. I'm a big fan.
Me too. This is not a story of him though. This is a tale of two monsters. The first was a hairy scarab named Sully.
Sully, he's hairy.
And his best friend, Mike Wazowski.
Mike Wazowski. Hello. Hi, that's Wazowski with one eye, sir. He's only got one eye.
Now they lived in the city of Monstropolis, which was experiencing a power crisis.
Ooh, that is fancy. Everyone go, ooh.
But no worries. It was Sully's job to collect screams for power by making scary faces.
God.
And everyone would scream. Power from Monstropolis.
Everyone say hooray!
Then one day a little girl wandered into the monster world through an open closet door.
That's right, and her name was...
Why are they booing me?
What? No, they're not booing. Her name was Boo, and that's her right there. Boo's cute and adorable and likes to play peekaboo. Can you play peekaboo? Can you play peekaboo? Whoa. Her hands are huge. Ah, but she's adorable.
She's adorable. You know who's not so adorable, though?
Who's that?
That evil scarer, Randall!
Randall. Behold the face of pure evil. And Randall could turn invisible. Randall could turn invisible. Randall could disappear. Lady shoved him right off the bench. I hope he knows her.
Now, what Randall did is he captured Boo, and he tried like it's Sully in the human world, and this sent Sully into a tizzy!
Or he was slightly confused. Me too, sir. I'm also frequently always confused.
Boring me. Wrap it up.
You gotta wrap it up really fast. Go!
Sully went to the Bowman's Quad Door back upon one to try to get Boo back home, but Randall taking her all across the ride on Norfolk. Boo to camp, Randall, Mike exposed one nose, and they all go with their left to it. They scream!
Nicely done! Keep that applause going for your stars! It was scary.
Weren't they great, folks? Weren't they great? Let's see how they did. Oh! 15 gigawatts! Looking good! Okay, this next act is almost as funny as a monkey in a tutu. The monkey wasn't available. He's my buddy. He's your buddy. He's Buddy Boyle!
Hello, humans! Hey, all right! Everybody remembered, except for that guy. That's okay. Hey, you all know I'm Buddy Boyle. What you might not know is that I'm a mind reader. That's right. I'm telepathic. So, what I need from the audience is a volunteer to have their mind read. Please raise your hand if you have a mind. Oh, psychic vibrations are pulling me to the side when a human wants to have their mind read. Aha! There we are. Hello! Surprise! Hi, I'm Buddy Boy, and welcome to the show. What's your name?
Iris.
Correct. Just a sample of my incredible psychic powers, huh? Okay, Iris, I want you to think of a number between 1 and 50, and then I will read your mind. Do you have that number?
Yes.
Awesome. First thing you should do is tell your number to the entire audience, so everyone else will know when I get it right. But don't worry, Iris, I will not hear you because my eyes are closed. All right, I will now read your mind. Concentrate on your number. Send it to me with your thought waves. You can concentrate better if you place your hands on the side of your head. Iris, that'll help you concentrate. Hands in your head, good. Now make your fingers in a little antenna so you can transmit the number perfect. Give me a scrunchy, concentrated face. Concentrate, Iris. Now make a sound of telepathic mystery. Go for it. Keep going, it's working. It's definitely working, Iris. Just 15 more minutes. Iris, that was great. It's totally worked. I've read your mind. Your number is 2! Iris, you were spectacular. Hey, let's celebrate. Cue the Buddy Boyle dancers. Yes.
Roz, why did you do that? You got it right.
Oops, my finger slipped.
Well, look at that, Roz. The can's half full.
Looks half empty to me. Face it, Wazowski, you'll never fill that can.
Oh, yes, we will. Right, guys?
Just fill the can. But remember, I'm watching. Always watching.
I'm watching, always watching. I'm Roz, and I've got a mole on my head.
I can still hear you.
Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, performing the jokes you just said in, my nephew, Mike Wazowski!
Wow, there are a lot of really cool humans here today. Hey, so my Uncle Mike sent me some of those jokes you texted in. If you want to hear them, say, oh yeah! Oh yeah! Very cool. My first joke is from Pennsylvania, and they said, what do you call an old snowman? Everybody say what? What? Water. I like that one. And let's see, Kylie from Kentucky wants to know, who's the queen of the pencil pouch? Everybody say who? The ruler. That was a good joke. Thank you all so much. That was amazing. Hey, you know what? When I grow up, I want to go to Monsters University. Yeah, when my Uncle Mike went to Monsters University, he learned that if you have the right partner, you can do anything. So raise your hand if you're a human kid and you want to be my comedy partner. Raise your hand, human kid. Good, I want to talk to you. All right, cool. I see a human kid who's like over here on this side, like in the middle, like right on the aisle, and then they think they're wearing like I think they're wearing like a dress, and they have their hand raised up right there. Hey there. Hey, human kid. My name's Marty. What's your name? Say it again. Scout. Hi, Scout. Scout, what grade in school are you in? Second. You know, my Uncle Mike said second grade was the toughest 6 years of his life. Scout, what's your favorite subject in school? Math. Well, you know why the math book went to the doctor? Why? Because he had a lot of problems. Hey, Scout, what do you want to be when you grow up? Whoa, that's really cool. You know, you gotta be careful because some artists are really sketchy. Yeah, and yeah, sometimes they don't make a lot of Monet. Hey, Scout, you know what I want to be when I grow up? I want to be just like the coolest guy in the room. That guy! Give it up for my comedy partner, Scout. You were awesome. That's my time, everybody. I gotta bounce. Bye.
Okay, let's give the little guy a big hand. Wasn't he great? We killed the pan! Winnow! What do you think of that, Franz?
Well, I guess I have to promote the one responsible.
Oh yeah, what's my new title?
Not you, Wazowski. That guy. Give him a big hand.